Hello, good people. This is Sherry, and I'm going to show you what I did with this placemat that I got from Dollar Tree. Check it out. We're going to make a pair of denim earrings with a twist of foil. Here are our supplies. I'm using Mod Podge as a gel medium. It's not the best, but it's better than nothing. I'm away from my studio, so I'm using denim, what I have, and I'm going to cut this skull and use this design. You know, when I saw this skull, I said, oh, that would make a great stencil. So I'm going to cut the top of his head to use as my stencil so that I could apply my foil to this denim. Normally I would have my gel medium and my heat foil machine, but I don't have any of that right now. So once again, I'm using what I have. I'm applying this Mod Podge onto my stencil. I'm calling my placemat my stencil because that's what I'm using. That's what I saw when I saw this. I said, oh, I could use this as a stencil. This Mod Podge is not as thick as I would like it to be. It's kind of thin, but it's going to do the job. Okay, I let my project dry overnight, and so now it's time to put the foil on. And I haven't used this kind of foil in this process before, so this is all experimental. I'm using a hot iron, and I think my iron is too hot, but it's okay. I'm going to use a piece of scrap leather to put on the back of my denim. I'm using one of the shape templates from my shape template 10 pack to cut out some earrings. There'll be a link in the description if you would like to pick up that 10 pack. I wanted to accent these with some gold beads and I didn't have any, so I decided to use some wire to make myself some beads that will accent my earrings. I cut about 24 inches of this wire and I cut two pieces. Now this wire is a thin wire. It's a 22 gauge. So it's thin and it's flexible. I'm using a toothpick as my base, and I'm going to just wrap the wire around my toothpick until I get a bead the size that I want. This is actually a redo just to show you, because I didn't turn the recorder on when I actually made my 2 wire beads and put them on my earrings. So I'm just doing this to show you how I made the wire beads. Our Hobby to Hustle e-course is almost ready to drop. In fact, we are preparing a pre-sale where we're going to introduce it with a reduced price, and the official launch date will be October 15th. But we will have a pre-launch where you can get some extra things and get access to a part of the course, and then the full course will be launched October 15th. So be on the lookout for our pre-launch. Very excited about it. It is chock full of great information. It has workbooks and downloads that will really help you to learn how to make money with your creations. And I wish that something like this was around when I first got started. It would have helped me to accelerate more and keep me from making some of the mistakes that I made. But, everything happens for a reason. I made some mistakes that you won't have to make if you take advantage of this e-course. All right, good people. If you like this video, please subscribe. I'm getting close to my goal of 10,000 subscribers. I would appreciate it if you could help me toward that goal. And you know the drill. Please like, share, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.